You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly in Spanish. The meaning is blonde, somebody who's got blonde hair, light hair, pronounced as Guero. Normally it has two dots on the U. I didn't put it here, but which explains why it's pronounced Guero, because you do pronounce the U as an U. All right, normally it would be Guero, but because there's two dots, it's pronounced Guero. The Spanish pronunciation, Guero. How to pronounce Guero. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.